Rule-based AI versus learning-based AI, contrasting traditional AI approaches with modern learning-based techniques. Rule-based AI or expert systems. Rule-based AI systems rely on pre-programmed rules and logic to make decisions. These systems work within defined parameters and follow explicit instructions for making decisions. They don't learn from experiences, but instead execute predefined tasks based on rules created by humans. An example will be a diagnostic system used in healthcare where rules are applied to patient data to recommend treatments based on systems. Advantages: transparency, predictability, and the ease of implementation in well-defined domains. Limitations: it's a lack of adaptability. It cannot learn from new data or situations outside the predefined rules. Learning-based AI or machine learning and deep learning. Learning-based AI, particularly machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL, uses algorithms to learn patterns and make decisions from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, these systems improve and adapt as they are exposed to more data. For example, recommendation systems like those used for Amazon, YouTube, learn user preferences over time and become more effective at predicting what the user may want to buy or watch. Advantages: flexibility, adaptability, and the ability to handle large and complex data sets. These systems can also improve over time with new data. Limitations: can be difficult to interpret, especially in deep learning, and require large amounts of data and computational power to train.